Hello. Today we're going to be playing Bubblegum Simulator. Hmm. Ooh. And I have good stuff, I guess. I still don't have this dimension. Try to get to it. Yay! Whee! Oh yeah. No. Oh wait, I'm not on this level. Oopsies. Why did I do that? How would I do that? Oh no. The dropper. No, some more bubbles. The reason why I'm not taking the shortcut is because I'm going to open the coin chest. No! Okay. Hmm. I forgot I was trying to go for that. That's a lot. Go to this one now. Wait, is this the one I just went into? Wait, did I make a mistake? Oh yeah, I did. Oopsies. I accidentally thought it was something else. No! It sounds hard. No. I need to get up here. I don't want to jump because I might go too high. Why would I do that? Sorry. Yes. 20. I was done with my bubble. No! 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 Oh my god. My thing was lagging really bad. For me. No! I thought I was gonna miss that. Bubble. No! How do I miss that? You know what? I'm not gonna do this. This is kind of boring. So I'm gonna blow some bubbles and try to get a new bubble gum. What does this cost? No. I need more Robux. Whee! So. Oh wait, I could have done that. I never realized that. Could I beat the Bubble Master? Get something higher? I think I'm gonna beat them because I'm already catching up. Yep, I beat him. Wait, did I? Oh yeah. Here, let's sell this. We're so close. And then I'm gonna see how much. No. Ooh, a badge. I have a lot of badges. I need 20,000 more. Wait, no, I don't need 20,000 more. Yeah, I just said that. What am I doing? They spawn like every minute. Let's see if they just spawn right here. No. Ooh, 2,000 more to go. Ooh. Ooh, I already have 1,000,000. Let's see. Why am I going here? Which one is it? This one? I think it's the shop. No, it's the same exact one. I think I know where it is. Right here. Should I buy gum or flavor? Capacity 125k. 105, 180, 125. I would buy in this one. 250 bubbles. Let me check. So I need to get a little bit more. See, where do I get these? Open through. I don't really. Ooh. I never got that one before. Yeah, that one's gonna be good. Just collect all these. Then I am going to go to pets. So these are my best pets. It's better than 1, 2, 3. Equip. So how much pets can you hold at a time? Do it. One, 2, 3. So Sean, I are equipped by level. No, by rarity. So unequip this. Equip this. 1, 2. Sure, your max. So the max is 3. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Not bad. Ooh. Almost there. It's the third one, I'm pretty sure. Yep. I need 2K. I need 200,000. I love this game. Whoa. Hmm. $25 mil. Never mind. Get this out of here. I have like 4 Robux. Get me out. Cancel. Purchasing. Good. Oh my god. It's broken. It's not letting me move. What's wrong with this? What? Alright, so I'm not ending this video here. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you get more videos of me. And see you guys next time. Bye. I'll make another video on this. Bye. Bye.